Hello everyone.
So today we will do the parts and assembly of the screw jack. Go to the front plane, go to the sketch, go to the normal and just draw a center line. Then after that go to the line. So first we will draw the outer sketch of the screw jack. Then we will give the smart dimension for that. Okay. So the smart dimension will be of for the vertical line will be of 40 mm and for here we will draw one another line and now give the smart dimension for the horizontal line for the middle of the horizontal line. Then the what we have drawn, it will be of 10 mm and for the total length will be of 35 mm from the center of the axis and the end point of the line. Let me check once again. It will be of 25 mm. Okay, exactly, it is 25 mm. And then what we are given 35 mm, and then give vertical line and the center line will be of 33 mm. And then just offset it for that 10 mm. Then trim entities, trim the extra line and join the angle line and the horizontal line. Then after that first draw the horizontal line and then vertical line. Vertical line will be of smart dimension 20 mm. Let me draw blindly. It will be of 3 mm. This gives infinity. Now we will trim it extra line. Because we should have to coincide the horizontal line and the angled line. Now give the fillet 0.5 mm. It will be okay. Just increase it for 1 mm. And for this 8 mm. And for here it will be of, let me give 1 mm. Okay, and cut the extra line what we extended for the infinite. And down give the total length will be of 185 mm. And from the center line and the fillet we will give the 22 mm. For this we will give 33 mm. Okay. everything has been defined. Then we will exit sketch and revolve from the center axis. So this forms the body of the screw jack. Save it. Save as a body. Then next, go to front plane, go to the sketch and draw again one center line as a construction line. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line. And drag it downside. We will form the outer sketch. Okay. Now we will give the smart dimension for the lines. Give from center line to outer line 25 mm. And for here we will give the 10 mm. And then here will be of 10 mm. Okay. Let me check once again. 25 mm. Okay. And for here we will give the 45 mm. And then total length will be of 45 mm. Okay. Then after this we will give smart dimension for here. Let me give 6 mm. It will be thickness of the revolve. And then here we will give the 6 mm. Okay. Just draw a line of 5 mm radius and we will draw the center point arc from that line so that we can make the half circle for fillet. Now delete it. Okay. Then cut the extra lines and we will give the fillet for this 5 mm. For here we will give 5 mm only. So now all the dimensions has been defined. So go to revolve from the center axis. So this forms the part. Okay. So now we will save it. Save as nut. Go to new. We'll draw next part for the screw jack. Go to front plane, go to sketch, draw a center line. Let me draw the outer lines of the part. Then after this we will give the smart dimension for the part. Let me change it, the center lines construction line, to the normal lines. Select control and select the all lines and change it as a normal lines. Okay, this has been done. Then after this, we should have to give the smart dimension for the outer lines what we have drawn. Give us a level and then for here will be of 13 top line to this line will be of 83 from top bottom to lower bottom will be of 240 required. And here we'll give as a 65 okay. We should have to give here as a 45 degree and this length will be of 10 required. Let me make for here also 10 and now let me give smart dimension for this will be of 19 and here then after that what other dimensions required are so here as I told you it will be of 45 degree. You should have to form the 45 degree angle. Okay, and same here also it will be of 45 degree. Okay, now I think all the dimension has been defined. Exit sketch and go to the revolve, select the center axis. I think small has been enclosed. Let me give as a S. Okay, and it has been revolved. This forms the part. Okay, just has been checked it has been correct dimensioned or not. Okay, so it will be of 13 required. Now exit sketch and you revolve, so this forms. So we should have to make the holes Go to front plane, go to sketch and give a normal and draw a vertical line and give the smart dimension of 35 mm and draw a circle from here and smart dimension of 12 mm. Okay, and delete the line what we have done for the reference and then extrude it. Extrude up to through all both sides. So this forms the hole. And here once again select the plane and go to the sketch. Here also one hole is required. So draw a circle from the center point and give the smart dimension of 12 mm. Now extrude it. Extrude up to 35 mm. Required. Okay. So this has been bored. It has been done for putting the screw over there. Okay, then save it as screw. Okay, and go to new part. Okay, go to front plane, go to sketch, and again as I told, just draw a center line from the center point. Let me draw the outer sketch. Okay. It should have to be parallel. Okay. And then we will give the smart dimension for that. Let me delete the extra line. Now give the smart dimension of from the center line 11 mm. And for here will be of 22.5 mm. And 65 mm. And then here will be of 19 mm. Just we are defining the dimensions for the part. And then here will be of 12 mm required. And this will be of 6 mm. Okay. I think everything has been defined. Let me check once again. It has been defined or not. Here will be of 42 mm. Okay, and then exit sketch, go to revolve. So this forms. This we should have to delete the reference line what we have drawn. Okay. Then go to front plane, go to sketch and click on normal. Draw the vertical line and then draw a horizontal line and give the smart dimension of for the horizontal line. It will be of 5 mm. Okay, this is not required, just delete it. And then go to center point arc and then draw from the end point of the line what we have drawn and just join it. To extrude it, we will enclose the plane. Go to extrude and go through all. It's not possible. Let me check once again what we have drawn the sketch. Okay, just delete the line and we will redraw the line. Okay, so there is a one plane, so it is not enclosing. Let me redraw once again. Okay, exit sketch and now extrude it. Extrude through all both sides. Okay, and go to right plane, go to sketch and normal. Draw once again same as it is what we have drawn. Horizontal line and give the smart dimension of 5 mm. With the center point arc, it will be from the end point. And again now delete the line and enclose the sketch. Extrude it. Again same problem has been occurred. Let me check once again. So here is our star line. So we will delete it and now exit sketch and go to the extrude. Select the sketch and through all both sides. So this finished the part. Save it is as a cup. Go to the new. Okay. Go to the front plane and go to the sketch. Draw a center line. It will be a horizontal for this. As it is, we will draw the outer sketch and then we will give the smart dimension. Here is a smart dimension of 10 mm for the vertical line and for here it will be of, let me once again, 6 mm. Okay, for here the angle will be of 45 degree required. Okay, and for the total length will be of 275 mm. Okay, for here 62 mm. Okay, let me make arc for here. Select center point arc and for From end point, just draw a 90-degree arc. Then after that, just delete the reference line what we have drawn and enclose the plane. Then exit sketch, go to revolve, select the center line. So this forms the bar. Okay, then go to the save. Just save as a Tommy bar. So next we will do the new part. Okay. Go to the front plane, go to the sketch, go to the normal, then let me draw the center line for that. So we will draw the sketch outer line. Let me convert the construction line to normal lines. Okay. And now give the smart dimension. It will be of 45 degree from the normal plane. So in normal line, center line what we have drawn, and this will be of 12 mm. Let me give the smart dimension here, then after that we will give on upper 6 mm, and this will be of 12 mm. Okay, and total length will be of 30 mm. Okay, and this will be of, let me delete this one. After this we will it is okay. Now just revolve it from the center line. Go to the normal, go to the sketch for the front line. Okay, now we will draw the extruded part sketch. Just give the smart dimension 3 mm. Okay, and this will be of 2 mm. One mm. Let me enclose it and go to the exit sketch. Go to the extrude. Give through all both sides. Okay. So this completes the screw. Okay, and save it. Save as screw. Then next new part. Go to the front plane, go to the sketch and draw a center line. Convert it as a construction line. And let me draw the outer sketch for the part. We are drawing the washer Now give the smart dimension. It will be of 17.5 mm, and then this will be of 12.5 mm. And then this, I think, 45 degree. Okay, and here 8 mm. It will be okay for that. And from the center line, this will be of 14.5 mm. Okay, let me check once again. 7.25. Okay, then exit sketch, go to the revolve from the center line. So this forms the washer. So this complete washer. Save it as. Then go to the assembly. So now we are doing the assembly of the screw jack, all the parts assembly. Go to the browse, go to the body and open it and click it as float. Then after that, click on both of the front plane and the body front plane and mate it. Let me try after later it. Go to the browse, then go to the, let me take part nut. Okay, then select the face and this face, mate it as a concentric mate, and then this face and this face will be of coincide mate. So it has been mated. Then after that, new component, browse, go to the screw. So first we will mate as a coincide mate, concentric mate, and then we will select the both of the faces and we will mate as a coincide mate. Then again next part will be, we are taking cup. Okay, so again this will be of same as concentric mate. We will mate first, then after it we will mate the coincide mate. Just select the faces of the both parts. Okay, then after that, go to the new component, go to the washer. We will put the washer for that as a same, it is coincide mate, concentric mate, and then the coincident mate. Browse, then last part screw. So first will be of coincide mate and then coincident mate. Okay, so one more part is there, Tommy bar. First mate it as a concentric mate, and then coincident mate. So this completes the screw jack. Complete assembly in the parts of the screw jack Thank you for the watching the video.